Hi everybody, this is Mike with the Wilkins Company. This quick video will show you how to use the new sound system here in the press box. So when we come over to the system here, this is our power button. Hit that button there and that's going to activate the sequencer. It's going to turn on the top equipment first and it's going to do the amplifier second. So once these amplifiers power up on the screens here, then we know that we have sound ready to go. So then we have Music 1 input. And we have the Bluetooth input here. For Music 1, you can use this cable or an equivalent cable. This particular one has USB-C, Lightning, and aux, and you'll plug in the RCA inputs into the front here. If you're doing the Bluetooth, I'm gonna hold down this button here until the blue light flashes on the right, and that'll put it in pairing mode. And then you can open up the Bluetooth settings on your device and pair it. Now, this will not auto reconnect each time, so you will have to forget the device and then repair it each time that you use it, and that's for security purposes. Then we have our volumes over here. So this volume here will control the volume for the announcer microphone. And then you also have mutes. This is the volume for the handheld wireless. This is the volume for the referee wireless. This is the volume for Music 1 here. And this is the volume for the Bluetooth here. Handheld wireless here, the power button is this red button here. Hold that button down for 2 seconds and that'll turn that on. You can click it once quickly for a mute, and then click it again to disengage, and then hold that switch down to turn the power off. On the referee wireless here, your power button is this little power icon right here. Hold that, it turns it on. You have a mute switch here, so if you slide that to the right and it's flashing red, that's muted. You're gonna want that to be on green. And if you choose to use it, we have the referee on and off switch here. The microphone here will wire into this switch first, and then this switch will then wire into the body pack here. When you close that, make sure that it doesn't hit the microphone there. And when the system's ready to be shut down, we just hit that power button again. And that'll shut off the amplifiers first and the rest of the equipment second. The microphone here is push to talk. So you have to push this gray button down for it to open up. So you have to hold that while you're talking, and as soon as you release, it will mute.